This is the US Assist. One of the really great things about this knife is the dual ramp thumb stud, so you can open it really quickly with your left or right hand. It opens really fast and smooth every time because of the ball bearing technology on either side of the blade. My favorite place to carry my pocket knife is actually in my back pocket, and when I'm riding, the last thing I want to worry about is it coming open. One of the greatest parts of this knife is the cross-bolt safety feature. When it's on, this thing is not gonna open on you. The gunmetal gray super ergonomic handle is not only really comfortable, but it also looks pretty cool and matches most motorcycles, which I really like. And one of the coolest things is the fact that this scratch-resistant clip, it's removable, reversible, and it's not gonna mess up your bike paint. I also really love that this knife and I were made in the same place, Portland, Oregon. This is the US Assist.